An interior balcony with a virtual balcony. So as you can see, you're looking out and it's live stream from outside port, which I reckon is really cool. I really like that. It's not flickering or anything, this one. It's so above the bed you can see some cabinets here. You've got your double bed, PowerPoint, telephone next door. There's a PowerPoint there. Make sure that you are taking note that these are US PowerPoints, okay? Then have your TV, wardrobe, coat hangers in there with a safe and some drawers below. Coming back, well, look here, we've got our cabinetry, and in here will be your fridge. I can never open these. I always go the wrong side when I do this. There we go. Yay. So there's your refrigerator there. We have kettle here and cups, etc. So you can make a cup of tea, which is really quite nice. You have your sofa here. Another wardrobe here with quite a lot of coat hangers. And the desk. There's some PowerPoints here and a USB ports here, 2 of them. Little chair. Well, as you see, let's go into the bathroom and take a look. So you've got your shower set up, toilet, some glasses, etc. and some soap as the amenities and your towels. Yeah, so this is 10269, so 10269 cabin on the Quantum of the Seas. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching our channel, and if you enjoyed the video and the tour of the interior virtually balcony cabin, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cruising adventures. We'll see you on board.